Welcome to my channel Smart Swaggy. Today I am going to teach you a simple Python program. Open Python and press Ctrl+N. This is a Python program to know whether the given character is a vowel or a consonant. In this program I have used if statement. If statement is a conditional statement. So we know that A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So I have used if A, E, I, O, U. Print the given character is a vowel, else the given character is a consonant. Here you need to specify both capital and small letters because both capital A, E, I, O, U and small A, E, I, O, U are vowels. If you enter a character which is not a vowel, it will display you that it is a consonant. If the entered character does not satisfy the if condition, then the else statement will be automatically executed. After the coding is over, save the file in your desired location with your desired name. Press F5 to run the program. We have coded successfully. I hope you guys understood this program. Please share, like and subscribe for more videos.